So it has come to my notice that a lot of you who registered on this LayerEdge airdrop are still unable to start your node. So in this video, I am going to show you why you were unable to start your node and how you can resolve that issue. First of all, if I go over to my dashboard right now, I want to go there so that I show you. I myself, as at last night, I was facing the issue. Since I registered, I was unable to start my node also. Even though I made a video showing you guys how to register, how to go about it, I was unable to start my node. And that is why I went on to search for a solution to it. And it is just last night that I was now able to start my node. And as you can see, my node has started and I am now earning. Now, I know one of the issues you face is if you click on your node, especially for iPhone users, you see that it will just say processing and it will hook on the processing screen. Or when you click on the node, it tells you error starting node, blah, blah, blah. The basic and simple way to resolve that is simply to leave your browser out. Yes, if you're using Mrs. browser, if you're using Chrome browser, if you're using Kiwi, whatever, leave it out. Your MetaMask that you connected, make sure you import it to the main MetaMask app. Then you go on and open the app. Let me show you how to do it right now. So you go into your MetaMask, you open it up. So I have put in my password right now and it is now loading. Now, before this, my MetaMask opens up, there is a very vital information on how to make money, how to earn that I am going to show you in this video. But because I want you to watch the end of this video, I want you to watch it from beginning to the end. Because of that, I have placed that information at the last part of this video. So if you want to get it, you make sure you stick to the end. Now, this is my screen here. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on this browser. Look at it is the fourth option at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on it, it is normally called the D apps, or you can call it the browser section of your MetaMask. And once you go to that page, you can see I have Layer on my screen already. But because you are opening it for the first time, you will not have Layer. So you check the link in the description box of this video. You copy the website link, or basically you can even come here on your own and then you type in dashboard.layeredge.io. But if you don't want to do that, check the description box or the comment section. The link will be there. You can simply copy it, paste it here, and then you simply click on go. Now, the reason why you were unable to start your node is because for starting your node, you still need to sign a contract. Just the way when you were connecting this your wallet address, you signed a contract before the wallet address was connected. So for you to start your node, you still need to sign in a contract. But the problem here is if you are using your browser like Chrome, MetaMask, if you are using Chrome, Kiwi, Brave, or any other browser, sometimes they find it hard to redirect you into your MetaMask to now sign that contract. And if the contract is not signed, your mining cannot start. That is why you are now coming inside this MetaMask to now sign the contract directly and start your node. Now, I don't know why this page is still displaying blank, but I'll go over and let me go to my referral session. Then I'll head back to my dashboard again and see if the full page will display. All right, now I'm on my home screen. Next thing, I'll go ahead and let me see if I can stop this node and restart it again. So I show you guys how it works. All right, so as you can see, as I want to stop it now, they're telling me to sign message. So I basically have to sign it before I can stop this node. So you see, network error while starting node. No. That is because before I stop it, I have to, sign that contract. That is the same contract you're also going to sign when you want to start it. Such it almost does not happen on any browser. It cannot happen on Chrome. The browser that it should work on is Mrs. browser, but as for me, it didn't work. That is why I have to come into this my MetaMask to come here and do it. So basically, if you have such issues, make sure you paste the link in your MetaMask and then you come here and do it. And for the iPhone users, this might also not work for you. You might come here and click on it and it will just keep processing or the page will be blank. But try it, it might work on your end. So basically, all these steps are fluent when you are using an Android phone. So if you want to register, if you're a new user that just wants to register, look at the invitation code on your screen here. Once you copy the link, this is the code you are going to be using for your login. The codes are 2, so if one does not work, you can pick another one. So just use any one of your choice. Now, to the information that I decided to put at the end of this video to show to you. Now, this is how to place withdrawal on SUI Bison. So for those that are complaining that withdrawal is not dropping, I am going to show you a live withdrawal in this video. First of all, this is my SUI Bison dashboard, and as you can see, I am waiting for it to complete loading, and then my balance will display. That's the balance that I can withdraw. Now, if you look at my screen here, I now have $115. That is approximately 31 SUI. Withdraw is very simple. All you simply have to do is to click on this withdraw button. Once you click on the withdraw, you now click on withdraw here, and then they'll ask you for your SUI wallet or your Trust wallet. So you must either put your SUI wallet, which you can download on App Store or Play Store. Just type SUI wallet, you see the application for SUI, just like Tonekeeper. Then you can download, create your wallet, get your wallet address. Or for an easier step, you can copy your Trust wallet address. So you go to your Trust wallet, search for SUI, copy the address and paste. As for me, I'm going to be using my SUI address from my Wave wallet. Let me go into my Wave and show you how it is. All right, so this is my Wave. I'll go ahead and open it. You all know Wave project. We've been mining it since last year. So I have been depositing my SUI to this wallet, and let me even go ahead and do the claim for today. All right, I've done the claim. Now go back. You can see this is my SUI here on my wallet, and I have 92.18 SUI. I now want to add this one to it now. So I simply scroll down, click on this deposit, copy the address, then I'll go back into my SUI Bison. All right, this is my SUI Bison. So once I open it, I now go ahead and paste in the wallet address that I have copied from my Wave here. Then you click on withdraw. So I have clicked on it now. We now wait for this timer to count down. All right, as you can see, withdrawal successful. Now, once I've seen that withdrawal successful, I'll not wait for this timer to complete again. I'll simply click on my screen here to pull this down, and my balance here is now 0. But if you notice one thing, my balance here has increased to 40 SUI. That is because what is sent to my wallet is just 60% of what I withdraw. So if you notice, I have $115, but what they send to me will not be $115. It is less than, it is 60%. So about 10% will be converted and be deposited to this my stake balance. Another percentage is also going to be deposited to this my SUI here. This is SUI Bison token. So here my tokens is going to increase. Then the remaining one is going to this global pool, global matrix pool. The remaining one here is going here, and those that have shares in this place will be able to get SUI at the end of it. You look at 6 days left. So at the end of 6 days, those that have shares here will be able to get them. Now let me show you where I withdraw to. So going back here now, I'll open up my Wave wallet. All right, so as you can see on my screen here, my balance has now increased from 332 or 342 to $400. And if I scroll up, you can see I now have 110 SUI. That is 92. So that is proof that this SUI Bison is paying massively. If you want to join now, check the description box of this video or the comment section. The registration link is there. All you simply have to do is register and deposit at least 1 SUI. But if you want to earn more or earn massively, you deposit more. The more you deposit, the more you earn. But minimum deposit is 1 SUI, and SUI is about $3.7 now. It's basically low, so you can purchase from any exchange of your choice, like BitGet or Bybit. You deposit and you start earning, and that is basically how to go about it. And that is basically how to go about it. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video, and with the link in the description box of this video, join my Telegram channel.